You can continuously make $15, $80, or even $150 by simply clicking on advertising. You only need to click the ads to get started. That is precisely how people from other nations can get money by simply clicking. Don't worry, this is fully legal, free, and available in any country. All you require is a smartphone or a PC. In this video, I'll provide you with a ton of examples and proof that you can follow along with. If you stay with me through the end, I'll let you in on a little secret about how all of these people can earn up to $500 to $1,000. Don't miss anything by being attentive and paying attention. But first of all,
hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. You may start making things happen by setting up a notification bell so that you are informed anytime we release a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, comments, or other feedback regarding the video, don't be afraid to post them below.
The website I'll show you today, adiclicks.net, allows you to get paid simply for clicking on advertising. You won't make any money if you don't view this movie, and even if you do, it won't be possible for you to withdraw it because it will stay in your account. As a result, you must see the entire video to learn all the mistakes to avoid and how to withdraw your money correctly. Your entire online activity can start to generate extra income for you. You can participate in activities such as games, offers, surveys, sweepstakes, referring friends, and more. But I want you to concentrate on going online. This means that simply visiting various websites and clicking on various advertising might earn you actual money. They are very transparent about all of their profits on this website. Here you may see the sums of their daily and weekly payouts. This website currently has around 43,000 registered users. They even listed everyone's identities along with their location and method of payment who had withdrawn money in the previous 25 days. When you cash out your money, you have a number of payment options, including PayPal, bank transfers, Skrill, Paytm, AirTM, Bitcoin, NetTeller, and Perfect Money, to name a few. Simply put, there are a huge variety of payment options available globally. I'll provide every payment proof to you. You can tell from the username portion that many people have already paid out their money, and they all hail from different nations. The flag next to each user's username indicate how many people from around the world are currently able to make online by simply clicking on advertisements. You can see the total amount paid here. Without any prior expertise, anyone can complete this. And I'll provide numerous examples of how to boost your income. You can earn hundreds of thousands of dollars with this platform. You can make a free account by clicking this button if you wish to. Your full name, email address, a username of your choice, and a setup password are all that are required on this page, which will be accessed after clicking that. You only need to type in your birth date and place of birth and click the I'm not a robot button to show that you're aware of and in agreement with the terms of service. Then select register from the menu. The first thing you'll notice when logging into your account is the leaderboard. They will make the biggest earner visible to you. As an illustration, consider this one. You can see the username, the location, and the overall income. All of these people who come from different countries and are able to earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars annually do things that you're also capable of doing. You can click on a variety of ads when you log into your account, with banner ads being the most common. All of these banner advertising will be available for you to click on and continually earn money when we reach the appropriate part. If you decide to click on any of these banner ads, they will direct you to a random website where you can perform this on your computer or mobile device. Stay on this site for 30 seconds. You don't need to click any buttons, register, or make any purchases. You only need to wait here for 30 seconds. One very important thing is to make sure you don't make this error. When they visit the website and click on the banner adverts, Many visitors do nothing. They just stay there, making no further page browsing. Because they ultimately lose money from these advertisements, be careful to avoid making this mistake. Please look around this website. If you don't move, they'll think you're a robot and won't deposit any money into your account, so you need to look around. You must walk around, scroll and stay on the website for a short while after entering it. You can just retain your position after making a small movement for 5 to 10 seconds before beginning to move again. You can convince them that you are a real person, not a robot, by doing that. After 30 seconds, they can credit money to your account. Simply click another banner once you're done with the first. There are countless different banner adverts on this page that you may click to start making money. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Clicking on the daily fixed ads, which are all the ads you can click and stay on for around 10 seconds to receive payment, is the second way to make a payment. Many people are using this precise strategy to boost their revenue. I'll run through a number of their forums' payment proofs with you. Here they are all displayed. You will be taken to a page where all the findings, supporting evidence, and testing models are shared if you click on any of them. For example, if you click on any of these adverts, you'll be led to this random website. People report their earnings in such enormous numbers on this website, and all they do is click on the daily fixed ads. You only need to remain motionless for 10 seconds to demonstrate that you are not a robot. You can receive money after the allotted 10 seconds have passed, and you can do this as often as necessary. I want to offer you another concept that hasn't been raised by anyone else. Make sure you do this 5 times each day. You can increase your profits and outnumber everyone else by 10 times if you complete at least 5 daily fixed ads each day. You can unlock the standard ads which pay you 10 times as much. After completing 5 daily fixed ads, you must stay there for 30 seconds in order to be paid for any of these commercials. For instance, I'll be taken to another website if I click on this advertisement. Depending on the advertisements you are clicking, the wait time can range from 10 to 30 seconds. Generally speaking, you will make more money the longer you wait. Again, you'll get paid if you spend 30 seconds looking around this page. And that's the end of our video. Take a look at my other videos if you enjoy this type of material, and if you do, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching The Money Hustle. Until the next video, take care.